them lonely days, them dozen times ago, I reached out one night and you were gone. Don't know why you run, what you're running to or from. All I know is I want to bring you home. So walking in the rain, some for a ride on this lonely Kentucky back road. I've loved you much too long, my love's too strong to let you go. Never knowing what went wrong. Kentucky rain keeps going down, and the bridge another town that I go walking through. The rain in my shoes, searching for you in that old Kentucky rain, that old Kentucky rain. Anybody remember that song? Anybody at all? Showed your photograph to some old rain-bearded man sitting on a bench outside a general store. And yes, she's been here, but the memory wasn't there. From the yesterday, no way, the day before. Finally, they arrived with a preacher man who asked, were you bound on such a cold, dark afternoon? They drove on in the rain. Have you listened? I explained. He left me with a prayer that I'd find you. Kentucky rain keeps going down, there's a bridge, another town that I'll go walking through. Rain my shoes, searching for you in that old Kentucky rain, that old Kentucky rain, that old Kentucky rain, that old Kentucky rain, that old Kentucky rain. Eddie Rabbitt, thank you very much. You guys are great.